Hello everyone, again welcome back to my channel. So today this video is very helpful for all of you because this video is related to the image based questions which is mostly asked in many of the competitive examination, and mostly we can see the images of the forceps and the surgical instrument which is used in the surgery, and the doctors who are doing the operations and surgeries. We can only see the images of forceps, but here I am going to show you that what are the forceps and what are their uses, and what are the uses in obstetric and the gynecology, and how we can differentiate all of them. So here first one is this one is Sims speculum, and this is also called duckbill speculum. So what is the use of this? So this is used for examination of vagina and cervix, and this is also used for the DNC, and this is two blade type speculum. So you can see very clearly that what are the uses of this, and you can remind this by look this video. So next here, this is the sponge holding forceps, and we does not able to differentiate by seeing the video or by seeing the images which is shown in the many of the competitive books. So here I'm going to show you that this is the sponge holding forceps. You can clearly see that what are the designs of this forceps and how we can differentiate this from different type of forceps. So this is called sponge holding forceps, and the sponge holding forceps is used to doing any type of the dressings and to do the surgeries. Okay, next here I'm going to discuss about the Chittle forceps. So there is a many different kind of Chittle forceps, but here I'm going to show you this this is the pharyngeus Chittle forceps, and this image and this forceps question is asked in NORCET 2023 examination. So you can clearly see this. Look, so this is the curved pharyngeus Chittle forceps, and you can remind by listening this video or by having a look of this forceps. You can clearly see this. So what are the uses of this pharyngeal Chittle forceps? So this is used to pick up the sterile instrument to maintain the asepsis in surgeries, or in many kind of surgeries we can do. Okay, so next I'm going to discuss that this is the artery forceps. So this is simple artery forceps, and this is the Chittle forceps. You can differentiate both of them. So next here is vaginal speculum. So this is the vaginal speculum. You can mostly see the images of this vaginal speculum, and but here I'm going to show you the original the image of vaginal speculum, and what are the use of this. This is also used for the examination of the vagina and the cervix, and this is also used to collect the cervical semer for the cytological examination. So here the 3 or 4 images I can show you. So I hope this is very helpful and you can differentiate it easily, and this is beneficial for your AIIMS or any other central government competitive examination. Thank you.